Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to set up Lightning Proxies with DI Cloak. First, open the DI Cloak app. From the main dashboard, click Create Profile, give your profile a name, and adjust your profile settings. Next, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, select your preferred proxy plan, and click Generate. Within the plan settings, customize your targeting options. You can select ISP or country targeting, choose between sticky or rotating proxies, and adjust any additional settings as needed. Once you're done, click Save Settings, then copy the host, port, username, and password. Return to the DI Cloak app. Under the Proxy section, click on Custom Proxy, set the proxy type to HTTP, and paste the host. The other proxy details will be filled in automatically. Click Check Proxy, and if you see a green message, your proxy is active and ready to use. Finally, click Confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.